Imagine an AI that not only thinks, but thinks with unparalleled intelligence. An AI that doesn't just create, but creates with purpose, all without any heavy costs or hidden fees. Meet DeepSeek, AI, a powerful, open-source, low-cost platform that is redefining the rules of artificial intelligence. Whether you're a blogger, a developer, or simply a dreamer, DeepSeek is here to transform your ideas into reality. In this video, we'll take an in-depth look at how DeepSeek works, its features, and its various aspects, such as how it uses the modern mixture of experts, MOE, architecture to activate only the necessary components for each task. For example, if you want a blog post written, it uses approximately 37 billion parameters. And if a complex problem arises, it mobilizes additional experts to solve the issue. Remember, DeepSeek is not only free but also very easy to use. Whether you need blog topics or help debugging code, it's always ready for you. Founded in China in 2023 under the leadership of Liang Wenfeng, this platform was developed on a modest budget of only a few $100,000, yet is capable of competing with major models like ChatGPT and Claude, thanks to its open-source nature that allows anyone to tailor it to their needs. DeepSeek's features include cost efficiency, excellent multilingual support, and advanced logical reasoning and explanation capabilities, as demonstrated in its real-time demos, where it not only writes blogs, but also explains complex mathematical problems in detail. For bloggers, it serves as a creative partner that suggests new video ideas or blog topics. And for developers, it's an open-source tool that can be customized, whether it's debugging code or creating specific programming functions. Moreover, using DeepSeek is incredibly simple. Just visit its website or Hugging Face, sign up for free, and watch as your creative potential is magically activated. Ultimately, DeepSeek AI is not just a tool, but a revolution making artificial intelligence accessible, affordable, and sustainable for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Try DeepSeek today. Challenge your creative boundaries and see how the hidden potential within you can change the world.